Herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Video von GCSE German Tutorials.
The present tense. The present tense expresses an action that is currently going on. In English, we have a present continuous, which is I am doing something, as well as a normal present, which is I do something. In German, we just have the normal present, which is I do something. There is no present continuous, so that's one less thing to learn. We'll start by conjugating spielen, which is a regular verb and it means to play. The endings are E, ST, T, EN, just like the infinitive, T, and the infinitive again, EN. And this is the same for every regular verb. First irregular verb we have is haben, which not only comes up a lot on its own, but also forms a huge part of the perfect tense, which we will see in another video.
Ich habe, du hast, er sie es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben.
The next verb is sein, which means to be. Ich bin, du bist, not du isst, that's something else, that means you eat, so that could be confusing. Er ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind. The next verb is werden, which means to become. It's also super important, not only in its own right, but also for the future tense. There is a video coming, never fear.
Ich werde, du wirst, er sie es wird, wir werden, ihr werdet, sie werden.
Next, we have the thrilling verb of lesen, which means to read. Beware, it can be a little tricky because it looks regular, but it does have some weird vowel changes in the middle.
Ich lese, du liest, er liest, wir lesen, ihr lest, sie lesen.
Next we have essen, which means to eat. Be careful not to confuse it with sein because some of it does look quite similar.
Ich esse, du isst, er sie es isst, wir essen, ihr esst, sie essen.
Once again, be careful not to confuse du isst and du bist. It could have tragic consequences. If you said, for example,
Du isst einen guten Freund,
that means you eat a good friend. Not good. Here we have some examples for you to practice with. Feel free to pause the video while you have a go at them, and then we'll go through them after you replay it. 1. We eat cake. Sounds good.
wir essen Kuchen.
Number 2. You, singular, read a book.
Du liest ein Buch.
Remember, liest. Number 3. She is pretty.
Sie ist hübsch.
Number 4. Sie haben einen Apfel.
They have an apple.
They do indeed. And number 5, Ihr werdet intelligenter durch unsere Videos. It's true.
You become more intelligent through our videos.
That's the perfect tense all done. We'll zoom out so you can take any notes that you might want to. Finally, here's a nice fun fact about Germany for you.
Das längste Wort auf Deutsch ist Donaudampfschifffahrts Elektrizitäten-Hauptbetriebswerk Bauunterbeamtengesellschaft.
The longest word in German is Association for Subordinate Officials of the Main Maintenance Building of the Danube Steam Shipping Electrical Services. It's 79 letters.
Bis bald!